We're using the Engrave-It Pro to engrave door and lock tips on one of my souvenir keys I'm sending clean across the United States to one of my buddies, but I forgot to plug in my mic. I'm sorry. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, I got a special request from a viewer, a YouTube viewer. He needs a souvenir. Many people request, I've never had it and I think it's really cool, a key. He wants a key engraved door and lock tips, and I'm going to send it to him clean across the country. I can't wait to do it, and I'm going to do it on my Engrave-It Pro. Look at this stuff, all this stuff, and I'm going to engrave it right along here. Door and lock tips. That should be pretty cool, huh? I think it will be. Door and lock tips right along here. This key is, well, if I was to sell it, it's $55. So he'll appreciate this souvenir. It's all nickel. It's my Medico M3 system. Look at that, M3 biaxial. You can cut on angles on it. I think I'll just send him the blank like this. Beautiful, beautiful key, all nickel. Hard as rock. Takes an ITL machine to be able to cut this key. So let's go ahead and do it right now on the Engrave-It Pro. I've got it all set up on my laptop, my Windows old laptop. I'm going to send the information over to the Engrave-It Pro, and we're all going to have a blast watching this engrave. One key, door and lock tips, right across here. Yeah! First we had to fire up this bad boy. There's a little switch underneath here. You turn it on. It goes through its little cycle. And I have the platter for popping my keys in. This is so cool. The company Vision, they make these engravers and all this stuff. But you know, you buy it from ILCO for this particular creature for engraving keys. Now, I have to push go home. Alright, now it knows where it's at. Don't forget to do that. And I'm going to send this information over to here. Let's see if it works. Wake the computer up. Alright, I'm going to just hold the camera with my hand. Bring the cursor over to this location right here. You touch that. Now you have all these options. And I'm gonna choose diamond drag. Oh, hey, things are good. It's sent it straight over. I have a Ethernet cable hooked to the back of this engraver. All I got to do is push engrave, but watch this. This is so cool. So I'm going to take his key that he's going to get sent to him in the mail. Stick it in there. It just pops right in. You can put in 22 of these bad boys at a time. And let's engrave. So I'm going to push start. It's asking me to do that, so let's do it. Here we go. Start. There it is. Wow, I'm glad I didn't wreck anything. I had that diamond spinning. It's only supposed to be dragging, so it really left a great impression. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell so that you'll be notified when I have more great videos. Thank you guys so much. So there we have it. Door and lock tips engraved on a Medico key. What a great thing this is. If you need a wonderful engraver, Engrave-It Pro will do the trick. Now I had that spinning the diamond. All I had to do was drag that diamond over there. So he got an extra special dig in this engraving process. It's dug down really deep into the key. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this. Special request. I'm going to send it in the mail right now. Thank you guys. Please hit that like button. Oh, and don't forget to hit the notification, that bell, so you get more door and lock tips like this coming your way. Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. Great video. This engraver will also make door tags on plastic. Super cool. Stay tuned for more door and lock tips. Please tell your friends, subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, hit that bell hit the bell so that you can get more of my videos when I post them. It'll tell you. So hit that bell and I'll have more door and lock tips coming your way in the future. Thank you guys. Yeah.